Alright guys, getting ready to ride in the, I believe you're the fastest car on the property right now?
I am today, yeah.
Yeah, so I couldn't be more nervously excited, to be honest. I'm so pumped. The G-forces of like the last two cars were awesome, but this is about to be a whole new level, so I appreciate you letting me ride along.
Yep.
I'm in it, man. I am so in it. The one thing I learned was brace myself more.
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely feels different than it looks, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Like, I mean, there's so many people who are going to be into this.
Well, the thing is, like, watching it doesn't show you what it's really like.
No, it really doesn't.
Until you actually ride along and see.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, as much as I've done this, it's still like when I'm sitting here getting ready to go, I still get a little bit nervous, you know. Can't wait to get going.
Yep.
It's just the competition part, I think, is what really gets you.
The adrenaline.
Really gets in your head and, you know, makes you, you know, just gives that extra bit of excitement.
Agreed. Agreed. I think it's healthy. I think it's good. It means that you're prepared to, like, you know, push yourself.
Autocross Group is getting ready to send one of our drivers out here in a second. So guys, get ready. We're ready to roll. This is Max Germain. Max Germain. All right.
Man, I am so excited. I'm so pumped. Locking the seatbelt helps at all?
Yeah, if you pull it out all the way to the end, just keep going to the end and let it in, like ratchet, just snug it up.
Yeah, so I saw you doing that. I was like, oh damn! I was like, I didn't think about that last time.
That would actually do that on mine because this seatbelt.
Oh yeah. But like the last two cars I rode in, that would have been. That's what I should have done. That's
which cars did you drive in?
That one right there, and then the black newer Mustang.
Okay.
Yeah,
not all cars. Like I don't think the C5s have that with their belts.
Oh, okay. There's something about those first turns that just are like, man.
Sent it too hard into that first turn and got too sideways there. I definitely lost some time there.
Yeah.
But the rest of it was pretty good. Now, I don't know if it was a clean run because every run that you're pushing as hard as you can, I'm so close to all the cones that I never really know if it was a clean run until I look at the timing.
Right.
See. I was sitting on a 42.1 before, so that was a 42.0. So if that was clean, then that was a pickup from that other run. And I coned a 41.9 earlier, so right there within a few tenths of my other fastest runs.
That's awesome, man. That's so cool because both cars that I've ridden, so all three cars I've ridden in have been roughly 0.5 faster each time.
Okay. So
like, I mean, what you said yesterday about having like the weight over here or whatever, It actually, like, it seems like
it doesn't really affect it for me. I've noticed that I've had my fastest runs with passengers in already. I mean, theoretically, a couple 100 pounds should make you slower, but the thing is, there's so much involved in the course. It's more about the driving than you know, a couple 100 pounds, especially if you have the horsepower in a car.
Exactly.
If you're in a little Miata with 100 horsepower, you're gonna feel
it's done.
This car has enough power. I'm barely ever full throttle on this course anyway.
What would you say? What percent throttle would you say you were running? Like for the most part,
squeezing into it out of every single corner. You're just trying to feel the traction out of every single corner. There's really no straight stretches here.
No.
So yeah, I mean, it's just I'm just feeling it, feeling the rear end out of every corner, just trying to squeeze in as much as I can without it getting, you know, kicking out.
Yeah. I was looking at the footage from yesterday, and I had it on like the down, like just taller than the cones. It was incredible. Like, it actually took my breath away watching the footage yesterday of just the side mount GoPro, because it was just like, I actually like was probably too low, but it was only like this tall above the cones. So every time you were literally going, the camera was going above, right above the cones. It was so cool. Make sure I send that off to you. Yeah.